Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make bread cutlets. It's a simple delicious evening snack which goes well with tea. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Let's check the ingredients. Crumbs of 10 bread pieces, 1 potato, 2 carrots, half cup peas, 1 cup grated coconut, salt as required, half teaspoon pepper powder, 2 green chillies, 4 garlic pods and 4 small onions. First, make the coconut paste by grinding together coconut, garlic, green chillies and small onions. Add little water to make a smooth paste. After some time, add the pepper powder also. The vegetables are boiled and chopped. Mix it with the breadcrumb along with ground coconut. Add salt as required. Mix these ingredients together to make a smooth batter. Heat the oil. Make small balls of the batter and flatten it in your palm. Slowly put them into the oil. If the batter is sticky, apply some oil on your palm. Also, please note that if the oil is too hot, the batter might splatter. Cutlets are fried until golden brown and remove from heat. Serve the cutlets hot with any sauce of your choice.